Hello everybody, thought I'd make a video here, kind of an update on my ham radios that I have, how I've got them set up in my truck and what I use to talk on 2 meters and what I use to talk on 70 centimeters with a handheld. Here in my truck I have a Yaesu 2980. It puts out 80 watts. And show you my antennas, which is on the roof of my truck. I have that big mag mount antenna for 2 meter. The Yaesu 2980 runs off that. It's pretty tall, it goes up into the tree limbs, but then I have this smaller mag mount, about 21 inches tall. That is hooked into this handheld. A Baofeng puts out 8 watts, and I can hit 440 repeaters with that. So with the green light on, I know I hit the repeater when the green light stays on and I hear that noise. So that's what I use for 440. And what I'm talking about handhelds, I have this Lewiton LT188. Puts out 10 watts, 16 channel, and it's 2 meters only. Great radio. Green light came on, I hit that repeater. 2 meters, 70 centimeters, and the Yaesu 2980. I hit that repeater because I got the volume down.
118.8.
That is the repeater. I had it turned down, I turned it up, so when I see that bar going all the way across, that's the repeater. So that works in my truck here. And up here above the sun visor, I have another Baofeng. In that, I have the police, sheriff, and fire using it as a police scanner. Works pretty good. And when you buy these Baofeng radios, they come with a small antenna, about like that. That's what they come with. Then you go on eBay or Amazon and buy this antenna. Whole lot longer, like 19 inches tall. They're about $4 or something. It's a Nagoya 771. I put that on all my Baofengs. I have 3. This 8 watt Baofeng, I actually bought 2 of those because I found them at a real good deal. And then I have the other one like this is in my shack in the house for 440. And then I have a Yaesu 2900 in my house for 2 meters. So in the house I can talk on Yaesu for 2 meter and one of these for 440. Same in my truck, 2 meters, Yaesu 2980, 440. This 2 meter radio is just to back up. And the Baofeng on my sun visor is for police and fire monitoring. And then for backup power, I have this Jump Start. I mounted a power inverter on the front. It's got 2 110 outlets, USB ports. The Jump Start has USB ports. I could jump start my truck and power my ham radios with that. Charge my cell phone on it. Here I have the charger for this radio. I can charge that by plugging it into the Jump Start over there. That's how I charge that. I carry a charger for this radio with me, and I can plug it into the Jump Start and charge my radio. Currently I've got the Yaesu 2900 plugged into my cigarette lighter. Someday I'll run it through the floorboard and run it out to the battery. But anyway, I just thought I'd give y'all an update on the radios I use and what I use for backup power. I also have an air compressor in that thing for air up a tar. Jump start my truck, whatever. Charge my radios. It has a light on it. And Baofengs come with a light on top of those. It comes with a flashlight. It'll also blink if you need it. If your car breaks down, you want to turn that on, side the road or whatever. Anyway, that's what I got going on, and thank y'all for watching.